Hello my people, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this homemade butter with only one ingredient. If today is your first time coming by to my channel, you are highly welcome, and for my subscribers, you are highly welcome too. I really appreciate always tagging along with me. Today I will show you how I made this butter. It's so easy. I'll be using this whipping cream because you can see it has 35% of fat. So whenever you want to make this, you have to use the animal fat cream and you have to check the percentage. If it has 35% above, that will make a good butter for you. Now I'll be whipping it. It's only one ingredient you only need. I'll be whipping it. This will take you like 5 minutes to get your butter done. You have to whip it until it thickens up. When it peaks, don't stop. Keep beating it until you see the water will separate. We call it buttermilk will separate with the butter, the fat. As you can see, it's already like a whipping cream for making ice cream, but I'll still continue to beat it until the buttermilk will separate from the fat. It's almost, as you can see, it's becoming lumpy. Voila! As you can see, it's already separated. You can see the buttermilk, you can see the fat. This is so easy. You don't have to buy butter in the supermarket. All you need is just to buy a whipping cream with 35% fat above. As you can see, my butter is ready. I will mash them together and sieve out the buttermilk. The buttermilk, you can use it also to make your cookie or bake your cake, whatever you want to do with it. It's still good. So now I'll be sieving it out to separate both. You can see it's already coming together as butter. With this, I got like 500 grams of butter with this. Now I'll be using the cold water just to get rid of all the buttermilk so that I can firm up the butter. As you can see, it's already firmed. Now I'm saving my buttermilk because I'll be using it to bake something later. Now I'm putting it on the mold that I want. I will be shaping it to the shape that I want it to be. Here you feel free to shape it the way you want it. I will shape it then put it in the fridge, in the refrigerator for 2 hours just to firm up. This is optional. You can put in any mold you want or into a container. This is up to you. You can see trying to mold it into a square. That's why I'm pressing on each side. Now it's ready. After 2 hours, you can see it's already firmed up. Now I can slice it to any shape that I want, how I want it. So feel free to do yours as you wish. You can see it's already firm, so you can use and do whatever you want to do. You see, it's so easy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Thank you for my subscribers. Please don't forget to like and share what we're doing, and also comment. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.